Okay. Have you found any difficulties so far in understanding this chapter? Yes, girls.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. If at all you have any doubts, you can clear it right now because in each session I want to wind up each one chapter each. Okay, we don't have much of time. Like 3 or 4 lectures we have in this week. So I wish that we can take up as many chapters as we can so that your workload becomes less. Okay? Okay, beta? Hello? I think we have finished the textual and textbook questions. We have solved the textbook questions, I think so. What do you say? Because
Yes, ma'am.
I've noted it down. So I think we are through this chapter. Or do you wish me to continue again? Or we should we take up the next chapter? If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me right now. We can spend around 5 minutes or so. Otherwise, we take up the next chapter for revision. What do you say?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me any question pertaining to this chapter. Tell me. Okay, I will ask you two, three random questions. You answer me. Okay, beta? Okay. What are oviparous animals? And you have to give me example. What I just define the oviparous animals. Hello. What are oviparous animals? Give example. What happened? Girls, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me example. Give me the answer of it, beta. I said, what are oviparous animals? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what are oviparous animals? I'm waiting for the answer.
Ma'am, actually, I was left out, so I joined out. That's
Okay,
why.
now doesn't matter. So, what are oviparous animals? Can you give me the answer?
Ma'am, oh, those animals who lay eggs are called
Exactly.
oviparous.
Very good. Those animals which lay eggs are called as oviparous animals. Okay, can you give me the examples of those animals?
Hen,
Very good.
lizard,
Very good.
um,
You know,
fish.
give eggs. Yes. Then snake,
Yes, snake,
crocodile, crocodile,
frog,
turtle, turtle. See,
crocodile.
it comes automatically. So you learn more. So you're not stuck to only one example. If you forget one, you got so many. That is what I want. You understand? Fine.
Yes.
Now, what is viviparous animals then?
Those animals which give birth
Yes.
to
Example?
young ones.
Example? Yes, better. What are the examples of viviparous animals?
Ma'am, like
Yes.
sharks,
What about us? Aren't we viviparous? Yes.
humans,
Yes.
yes,
Yes, exactly.
mammals,
Lions, tigers, dogs, cats, all are viviparous animals. You understood? Okay, fine.
yes.
You can see over here. See, you can see over here. It's a small dolphin. See, this is a dolphin. You see this?
Yes,
Structure is dolphin. Can you see the dolphin? It's inside mother's body.
yes,
And this is viviparous and this is oviparous. Can you see this over here? This is how you have to remember. This is oviparous.
yes.
Okay? Fine, good. Okay. Now external fertilization. External fertilization. Tell me, what is external fertilization? Fast, beta. Let's not waste time. So that I can start with the next chapter.
In this fertilization, male and female gamete takes place outside the body
Fertilization. Very good. Outside the
of
body.
the
Example?
female.
Yes, very good. I understood. What is the female gamete, beta? What is the female gamete called as? What is the name of the female gamete? What is the name of the female gamete?
Sperm.
Female is sperm. Female is egg, beta. What is female? Hello? What is the female? It is egg.
Egg.
Okay. And what is the male? It is sperm. Understood now?
Yes.
Don't get confused with it. Fine. So they get fertilized outside the body. So it is called external fertilization. What is the example? Rather, what are the examples?
Starfish. Fish.
Fish and frogs. What are the examples?
Fish
Fish
and
and
frog.
Fish and
frogs.
frogs.
That is what we are having as an external fertilizer. Can you see over here? See, this is external fertilizer. So many eggs. Can you
Yes,
see so many eggs? Can you see
yes,
so many eggs? Yes?
Yes.
This is the mother frog, female frog. And the male frog will give out sperms and then it will fertilize this so many eggs. What is the meaning of metamorphosis? What is the meaning of metamorphosis? Be fast, better, please. I request all of you.
The
What do you mean
transformation
by
of the lava into an adult changes is called metamorphosis.
okay? Example:
Example like human beings.
human beings.
No, ma'am. Uh,
crow,
Please understand what you are saying. It is butterfly, frog. You understand? Butterfly, frog. From caterpillar to adult.
yes,
From tadpole to adult frog. This everything is different. It's a drastic change in the life cycle, which is known as metamorphosis. You understand?
yes.
So I think you know we still have to revise. What is the difference between zygote and fetus? What is the difference between zygote and fetus? Can you tell me? What is the difference between zygote and fetus? Yes. What is zygote? Hello. What is zygote? Answer me better. Hello. Girls, can you hear me?
Yes.
Answer me then, beta. What is zygote? Egg, when fertilizes with sperm, we get zygote. How come you forgot?
Yes.
Do you know or not? Do you know it or not?
Yes.
You know it? Then this zygote further divides, differentiate to form embryo. Got it? So
Yes.
zygote divides, differentiate, and form. Sorry, form
Embryo.
embryo. Yes, form embryo. Now look over here. This is embryo. And what is the difference embryo and fetus? When you get the head, when you get the legs, the hands, now it is developing. All this becomes fetus. So in embryo, you cannot see anything. Embryos are just lump of cells. It's just a multicellular organism, a lump of cells, nothing else. Whereas in fetus, you can see all the differentiated part. Okay, that is the difference between embryo and fetus. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Show you something over here that we will understand it better way. Here, see here. See, this is zygote, right? And when it starts dividing, can you see this division over here? Just highlight.
Yes.
You see the division over here? Now everything is dividing. See, this is dividing, again dividing, again dividing. So this becomes embryo. Hope you have understood now. This is zygote. This one. This one is zygote. And when it starts dividing, it becomes embryo. Okay? And then this embryo attaches to the uterine wall. Can you see this over here? It attaches to the uterine wall. Okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understood?
Yes.
I think last question I'm going to ask. What is asexual reproduction? What is asexual reproduction?
Means the reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction.
Very good. Only single parent is involved is asexual reproduction. Example, give me the example, two examples of asexual reproduction. Give me the examples of asexual reproduction, beta. Yes.
Budding,
Okay. And
then binary fusion,
very good. Now budding, explain budding.
means
What is budding? Whatever
it
comes to your mind, say.
individual develop from the birds. in
Okay.
Hydra.
Okay. In Hydra, and the other one, the curd that we have, East. Which is the other one,
Yes,
beta? East. Remember? I
yes,
think this is how it looks like. See, this is it. And see now, get this birds, isn't it? So this is East.
yes,
What is this? East.
yes.
This one body. Fine. And what about binary fission? Let's explain binary fission. Say what is binary fission?
In which like animal reproduce by dividing into individual,
Dividing into two.
two individuals.
Okay.
Is called binary field.
How does the division takes place? How does the division takes place? What is the process? First, what divides? First, what divides? First, I'm talking about a nucleus. This is amoeba. What happens next?
Yes,
First, nucleus divides. What divides? The nucleus,
nucleus,
right? First, the nucleus divides. Then, the cell will divide. What will divide?
cell
Cell will divide.
membrane.
Divide, cell will divide. You understand? See.
Yes,
First, the nucleus will divide and then the cell will divide. You understand? Got it? Hello?
yes, yes, ma'am.
I think we'll start with the next chapter. What do you say? Should I take up the next chapter, better? That is
Yes,
lesson number 8. Should we? Okay. Self. You have to give me true, false. I will repeat the question twice and accordingly you have to answer me.
true.
Unicellular organisms have one cell body. I repeat, unicellular organisms have one cell body. What is the answer? Is it true or false? Second, are you there?
Ma'am, true, true.
It is true. Fine. So unicellular organisms have only always one cell body. Multicellular have many cell body. Okay.
Yes,
Muscle cells are branched. Muscle cell is. Do you think muscle cells are branched? Say better. Do you think muscle cells are branched? Yes.
part of cell.
No, I'm asking you a question. You have to give me that answer. I'm not asking what I'm showing you right now, better. I asked you, muscle cells are branched or not? You have to give me the answer. Is it yes or is it right or wrong? Tell me, Massachusetts branch?
Ma'am,
Yes, it
false.
is. No, it is branch, beta. It is true. It is true. Okay. The basic living unit of an organism is an organ. The basic living unit of an organism is an organ. Give me an answer, beta. The basic living unit of an
Ma'am,
organism is an
false.
organ. False. What is the right answer, beta?
Cell.
Very good. Right answer is cell. Amoeba has irregular shape.
True.
Very good. True. So I think you
True.
have got the answer. Very good.
Yes.
Now listen. I also want you to draw whatever sketch and whatever picture I have given you as a part of your textual questions. You have to draw because you may be asked to draw certain diagrams. For example, in experiments also you have to draw the diagrams. I hope you know that. So wherever diagrams are required, you have to draw all those diagrams in your rough book and please learn it. Okay? Have a practice of that. Now I want to ask you, like if I ask you, what is the function of nerve cells or what functions do nerve cells perform? So when you write about the nerve cells, automatically the next portion or the next work task will be to draw the nerve cell. Wherever you can draw, please draw. I will not be asking you illustrate or draw by showing this and that. If the question is, what is the function of nerve cells? Okay, you have to write down theoretically as well as you have to draw the diagram. Did you understand? Did you understand, Beta? Hello? Do you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm looking for a nerve cell actually. Let me shoot again and again. I'll show you something. Fine. How can you define cytoplasm? What is cytoplasm? What is cytoplasm? Can anyone explain? See, what is cytoplasm? Be fast, better. Time is passing by. Be fast. What is cytoplasm? It is found in the cell, yes or no? Hello. Where is it observed?
Yes.
Yes. Where is it observed? Where is it observed, better? Between the nucleus and the cell membrane, isn't it?
Yes.
Between the nucleus and the cell membrane, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it is a jelly-like substance between nucleus and the cell membrane. And what else you get? You get this mitochondria, you get the vacuole. Can you see this? You get the endoplasmic reticulum. Yes or no? Hello? Then you have the
Yes.
nucleus, Golgi apparatus. Can you see all these things over here? In the case of plant, you have got the chloroplast, right? So ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, all these are organelles present in the cytoplasm. Now, if I ask you, how do you define the nucleus of the cell? This is nucleus. The green color is nucleus. How do you define this? What it is? Please define. What is nucleus of the cell? Everything has been given to you, beta. Remember, what is the nucleus of the cell? What it is and what is the function of it? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
just tell me. What is the nucleus of a cell?
Means a smaller spherical body in the nucleus
Okay.
is
No,
called
in the nucleolus. Very good. So, smaller spherical structure in the nucleus is known as nucleolus. Very good. Okay. What else? Does it have got a membrane? Has it got a membrane? Nucleus? Yes, it has got a nuclear membrane. What it has?
nuclear
Nuclear membrane.
membrane.
It's got a nuclear membrane. Right? Okay. What else it has? It has got genetic material. The nucleus has got genetic material.
Genetic material.
Example, RNA and DNA. What is the example? RNA
RNA
and
and
DNA.
DNA.
UN.
Okay. And what is the function of the nuclear membrane? It allows the transfer of materials in the nucleus and the cytoplasm. That's the function of the nuclear membrane. Okay. What is inside the nucleus? What is inside the nucleus, beta? Thread-like structures. What is inside the nucleus? Thread-like
Thread like
structures,
structure.
Headless
which are known as chromosomes. What are they known as?
chromosome.
Chromosomes. Okay, they are
Chromosome.
known as chromosomes. I'll show you here. You see over here thread-like structure, which are known as chromosomes. Got it? And we have already explained nucleolus, and these are chromosomes. The red color structures are chromosomes. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And these are called as genetic material. What are they called as?
Genetic material.
Genetic materials.
And what's the important function of nucleus? It controls the complete function of the cell. That means the nucleus is controlling the function of all the cell organelles present in the cytoplasm. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so it is the, you can say, headmaster of the cell. So it is controlling and coordinating the function of the various organelles present in the cell. Got it? Hello. Fine. The next
Yes.
question is, where do you get the cell organelles? Where do you get the cell
Cell.
organelles? Yes, where do you get the cell organelles? Which part of the cell do we get cell organelles?
Ma'am, cell wall.
Past members.
It's cytoplasm. What is this? What is this?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, we get cell organelles. Yes, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, fine.
Yes.
Now, can you differentiate between plant cell and animal cell? Can you differentiate between plant cell and animal cell? Hello, girls. What is the differences between plant cell and animal cell? What is present in plant cell which is not observed in animal cell? Can you tell me? First, you will see that. What is so important feature which is observed in plant cell but is absent in animal cell? What it is? Hello, girls. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what is present in plant which is absent in animal? You have to be serious now, Buddha. This is not the way to study any subject. This is the basic for ninth standard. Remember that.
Ma'am, like a plant cell contain a large singular vacuole that is used for storage.
Okay, but it has got a huge vacuole, big
Yes.
vacuole in plants. So you are very good. I mean, very correct. Good answer. A big vacuole in plant,
An
okay, and it
animal
stores,
cell.
and in animal it is very small. So we have got one large vacuole, whereas in animal we get small but many vacuoles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Second important feature. What is the second important feature? And so, listen, one more. So, in plant cell, the nucleus is pushed towards one side, isn't it? And whereas in animal cell, the nucleus is found in the center. You agree?
Yes.
Yes, you can see over here the nucleus is pushed on one side. Can you see over here nucleus?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Whereas in animal cell, the nucleus is in the center. Can you see this? It is in the
Yes.
center. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. What is the second point? What is present in plant, absent in animal?
Chloroplast is present in animal. Chloroplast.
Chloroplast is present in
Plant.
plants,
And
thank God,
absent in animal.
and is absent in
Yes.
animals. Okay, why is it present in plants? What is the function of chloroplast? Hello,
Photosynthesis takes place.
photosynthesis. So they are called as autotrophs. What are they called as?
Autotroph.
Autotrophs. Good. Who is it better? Sakina?
No, ma'am.
Um,
Shifa Daban.
Sifa. Sifa. High expectations from you then, Sifa. You're doing good. Good, better.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, and another important features is presence of in plants. What do we get? Presence of beta.
Cell wall.
Exactly, presence of cell wall, which gives the shape to the cell. Yes, and also it gives the stiffness to the body of the plant. Right. Whereas cell wall is absent in animal. So generally we get round shaped structure of the cell in animals. Understood now? Yes, better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And uh, division purpose, centrosome is present in animal, whereas it is absent in plant. That's all we have for plant cell and animals. Now, can you differentiate between eukaryotes and prokaryotes? Can you differentiate between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, Peter? Hello.
Ma'am, eukaryotes have well-designed nucleus and
Very good.
prokaryotes do not have nuclear membrane.
Do not have
Nucleus.
nuclear
nuclear
membrane.
membrane.
So what is that nucleus called as? What is that nucleus called as? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Incipient nucleus. What is that called as? Incipient nucleus. Say after me. Incipient nucleus. Tell me.
incipient.
Incipient
Incipient
nucleus.
nucleus.
Very good. We are absolutely. Can you give the function of prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Function of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Can you tell me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the example of prokaryotes? Bacteria. What is the example of
Bacteria
prokaryotes?
and
Bacteria. And eukaryotes are us, we, animals. Right? Hello, advanced
yes,
animals. So prokaryotes are primitive, eukaryotes are advanced. So eukaryotes have a well-designed nucleus, and all the organoids are covered with membranes, while prokaryotes do not have a well-designed nuclear membrane. Where are the chromosomes found in the cell, beta? Where are the chromosomes found in the cell? And what is the function? Where do you get chromosomes? I just showed you, beta. Where
yeah,
do you find chromosomes?
chromosomes are situated in the nucleus of a cell.
Exactly, are found in the nucleus. Very good. What is the function?
It is a thread-like
Parent
structure.
plant.
Okay, but what is the function? What do you do?
Parents.
Yes, they carry the
They carry
features of,
parent cells.
yeah, they carry the features of parent cells to the daughter cells. Understood? The features from mother, father has come to you, isn't it? So from where you get, you look
Yes.
similar to
Yes.
papa, you look similar to mama on certain grounds. How come it
Yeah.
is possible? Due to chromosomes. Understood now? So they carry features
Yes.
of parent cells to the daughter cells. Good. Cells are the basic structural units of living organisms. Cells are the basic features or structural units of living organisms. Please explain. Please explain better.
What, ma'am?
Cells are the basic structural units of living organisms. Explain. What happened?
It's like many cell units form many
It's like
tissues
uh,
and
many
tissues
tissues.
form an
Then
organ.
any
Tissues
cell
form an
forms
organ.
tissues, and tissues form
Man organ.
Organ. And
Hello,
the
ma'am.
organ combine to form complete body.
Hello, ma'am. You are not
organs. Very
clear.
good. Then
Organ combine to form a complete body.
then
And in
Ma'am, you are
this way,
not
like
audible.
cell is the structural unit of an organism.
Of organism.
they form a body or